Good morning, everyone! After our hearty breakfast, we left around 8 a.m. for our trip to Handara Gate. The iconic Bali Handara Gate is actually an entrance to a golf course and resort. It's one of the most recognizable landmarks on the island because of its stunning architecture and picturesque surroundings. Entrance fee was 75,000 rupiah per adult plus 100,000 rupiah for the both of us if we'll be using a drone. On this case, we did, since our driver, Agus Harry, had one and he was generous to lend it to us. The drone was free, but the use of it on the area was what we paid for. So that's a total of 125,000 rupiah each. Again, there were staff assisting to take pictures and videos. As for the drone, it was Made who was piloting it. As you can see, it seemed like there are no people around, but there actually were. If you use a drone, the staff will assist to make sure they aren't on the shot. Next was Wanagiri Hidden Hills. The entrance fee was 100,000 rupiah each. It's another Instagrammable spot located in the mountainous region of Bidugul in North Bali. But unfortunately, it rained so hard we had to wait it off. It only stopped for a few minutes, so we took the time to take photos. It did start to drizzle and rain again, but what the heck, we're already there and we paid for the entrance fee. Hi guys! We're here at Wanagiri Hidden Hills.
And survived it!
Unfortunately, nakasama yung weather. So we were here for like more than an hour siguro,
yeah, no? Around 45 minutes.
Yeah. And so, then the rain never stopped, like fully stopped. In fairness, magaganda naman yung photos, yeah. And it was fun pa din. After that, we did bring extra clothes, so we changed in the car while we were traveling. We then headed to Ulun Danu Bratan temple. It was still drizzling a bit, but when we went around, good thing the rain stopped. Entrance fee was 75,000 rupiah. There are some restaurants and snack areas inside where you can eat. Restrooms, though, require payment and it costs 2,000 rupiah.
This is setup up ni Gore. Mag-light lunch muna kami before we go around the area. Pwede na kaya to?
Ayaw mo nun al dente.
Commonly referred to as Ulun Danu, it's one of the most picturesque and spiritual sites in Bali. It's not only a place of worship, but also a serene oasis for travelers and devotees alike. The area is quite big and there are a lot of Instagrammable spots as well. You can also rent some costumes. We rented the traditional Balinese dancer costume, which cost 100,000 rupiah. You have the option to hire a photographer as well for additional charge. We didn't avail for that anymore though. Unlike the other tourist spots we've been to, no one assisted us on the photos and videos. It was just us and a little help from Made. After that, we went to JungleGold Bali Chocolate Factory. It's the world's first plant-based chocolate factory, crafting premium artisanal chocolates since 2010. They showed us the process and let us taste the various flavors they offered. Since this is the main factory, we got it really cheap versus the markets outside. That was our last stop for today, then we headed back to our hotel. We walked around the nearby areas looking for a place to eat. There were a lot of restaurants and we finally picked one. We got to go night swimming after and headed to bed.